Beneath the towering cliffs and winding rivers of the Grand Canyon, an ancient force may be stirring. The Uinkaret Volcanic Field, a region that has erupted within the last 1,000 years, is showing signs that magma could once again be on the move. Could this mean a future eruption in one of America's most iconic landscapes? What do scientists know, and are there hidden warning signs we may have overlooked? Join us as we explore the mysterious activity beneath the Grand Canyon and its potential impact on the region's future. The Grand Canyon's hidden volcanic past. The Grand Canyon is known for its breathtaking landscapes and immense geological history, but hidden within its rugged terrain lies a lesser-known feature: an active volcanic system. The Uinkaret Volcanic Field, situated along the canyon's northern rim, serves as a reminder that this seemingly ancient and stable region is still geologically active. While the idea of an active volcano within the Grand Canyon may seem surprising, evidence from past eruptions suggests that volcanic activity could shape this landscape once again. The last eruption in this volcanic field occurred approximately 925 years ago, leaving behind a terrain marked by dark basaltic lava flows and cinder cones. However, its history spans millions of years, during which rivers of molten rock cascaded down the canyon walls, creating spectacular lava falls, some plunging more than 3,000 feet, surpassing even the tallest waterfalls on Earth. Although there are currently no lava lakes, volcanic gas plumes, or persistent earthquake swarms indicating an imminent eruption, the geological record leaves little doubt that the Uinkaret Volcanic Field remains active. Some past eruptions were powerful enough to temporarily block the Colorado River, forming natural lava dams. When these dams eventually collapse, they unleash massive floods, with water surging up to 30 miles downstream. One such flood, occurring 165,000 years ago, is among the largest freshwater floods in geological history. Future risks. What scientists say. Despite its fiery past, the Uinkaret Volcanic Field is classified as a very low-threat volcano by the U.S. Geological Survey. The region's sparse population means that the primary risks from a future eruption would likely include advancing lava flows, igniting wildfires, and minor ash emissions disrupting air travel. Spanning approximately 565 square miles, this volcanic field is home to 213 individual volcanic cones, each formed by a single eruptive event. Unlike massive stratovolcanoes like Mount St. Helens, which erupt multiple times from the same vent, these cinder cones are monogenetic. Each erupts only once before becoming dormant. The entire volcanic field lies between two major fault lines, the Hurricane Fault to the west and the Toroid Fault to the east. These faults, capable of generating earthquakes exceeding magnitude 7, act as natural pathways for magma rising from deep within the Earth. Some scientists believe this volcanic activity is linked to a process known as lithospheric drip, where sections of the Earth's lower crust sink into the mantle, causing the uplift of the Colorado Plateau and fueling sporadic volcanic eruptions. A history of eruptions. A sleeping giant? The Uinkaret Volcanic Field's fiery history began 3.6 million years ago when lava first erupted atop a sandstone plateau, forming what is now Mount Trumbull, the highest feature in the field. Over the next 400,000 years, new vents opened, forming over 24 cinder cones and extending lava flows up to 5 miles from their sources. Then, around 3.2 million years ago, volcanic activity mysteriously ceased for nearly 2.35 million years, only to reawaken approximately 850,000 years ago. This time, lava erupted inside the Grand Canyon itself, spilling directly into the Colorado River. Over the next several 100,000 years, volcanic activity intensified, with lava repeatedly flowing into the river and forming at least 17 lava dams. The most recent eruption occurred around 1100 AD, marked by spectacular lava fountains and intermittent explosions that lasted several months. Although this eruption was relatively minor, ranking only 1 on the Volcanic Explosivity Index, it serves as a reminder that volcanic activity in the Grand Canyon region is far from over. While centuries have passed without another eruption, Magma may still be slowly accumulating beneath the surface, waiting for its next opportunity to reshape this ancient landscape. Whether it happens in a few decades or thousands of years, the Grand Canyon's volcanic story is not yet finished, and its next chapter remains unwritten. Would you like me to continue this style for the Mount Spur and Ethiopian Rift sections as well? The hidden fire beneath the Grand Canyon. A sleeping giant awakens? Beneath the breathtaking cliffs and winding rivers of the Grand Canyon, an ancient force may be stirring once again. The Uinkaret Volcanic Field, a region that has witnessed eruptions within the past 1,000 years, is showing subtle signs of underground activity. Could this mean that one of America's most iconic landscapes is at risk of future volcanic eruptions? What do scientists know? And are there warning signs we might have overlooked? Join us as we delve into the mysterious geological forces beneath the Grand Canyon and explore what they could mean for the region's future. A volcanic secret beneath the Grand Canyon. The Grand Canyon, with its vast, rugged terrain and awe-inspiring geological history, is often seen as an ancient and stable landform. However, hidden within its northern rim lies a lesser-known, but equally remarkable feature: an active volcanic system. The Uinkaret Volcanic Field serves as a stark reminder that the earth beneath this seemingly timeless landscape is still very much alive. While the idea of volcanic activity within the Grand Canyon may seem surprising, geological evidence suggests that past eruptions have significantly reshaped the region. The most recent eruption occurred approximately 925 years ago, leaving behind a landscape covered in dark basaltic lava flows and towering cinder cones. But this volcanic system has been active for millions of years, repeatedly unleashing rivers of molten rock that cascaded down the canyon walls, some plunging more than 3,000 feet, surpassing the height of the world's tallest waterfalls.